Viewers, welcome to our new video. Today our topic is muscular system MCQs. So let's start the video. What is the main function of the muscular system? Producing heat, providing structure to the body, controlling body movements, facilitating digestion. So the correct answer is option C, controlling body movements. The main function of the muscular system is controlling body movements. What is the primary function of skeletal muscles? Pumping blood, contracting and relaxing to produce movement, involuntary contractions, digesting food. So the correct answer is option B, contracting and relaxing to produce movement. Which of the following is responsible for connecting muscles to bones? Ligaments, tendons, cartilage, joints. So the correct answer is option B, tendons is responsible for connecting muscles to bones. How many muscles are there in the human body approximately? 100, 200, 300, 600. So the correct answer is option D, 600. Approximately there are 600 muscles in the human body. What is the name of the muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity and aids in breathing? Diaphragm, pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, trapezius. So the correct answer is option A, diaphragm. Which protein is responsible for allowing muscles to contract and relax? Myosin, actin, collagen, both A and B. So the correct answer is option D, both A and B, myosin and actin. Which protein is responsible for the contraction of muscle fibers? Myosin, actin, collagen, tropomyosin. So the correct answer is option A, myosin. What is the largest muscle in the human body? Bicep, quadriceps, hamstrings, triceps. So the correct answer is option B, quadriceps. What is the medical term for a muscle cell? Myocyte, myofibril, sarcomere, tendon. So the correct answer is option A, myocyte. The type of body tissue that feels like a rubber band and forms a muscle is called skeletal muscles, muscle fiber, tissue, relaxing muscle. So the correct answer is option B, muscle fiber. Which type of muscles is responsible for voluntary movements in the body? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, none. So the correct answer is option A, skeletal muscle. Which of the following is a voluntary muscle? Heart, stomach, biceps, none. So the correct answer is option C, biceps. Which of the following muscle is responsible for extension of the leg at the knee joint? Quadriceps femoris, hamstring group, gastrocnemius, tibialis anterior. So the correct answer is option A, quadriceps femoris. What is the name of the muscle that abducts the arm at the shoulder joint? Deltoid, trapezius, femoris, none. So the correct answer is option A, deltoid. Which muscle is responsible for closing the jaw during chewing? Femoris, masseter, deltoid, none. So the correct answer is option B, masseter. Which muscle is responsible for producing the six-pack appearance in the abdominal region? Rectus abdominis, external oblique, transverse abdominis, internal oblique. So the correct answer is option A, rectus abdominis. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach and intestines? Skeletal muscles, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, voluntary muscle. So the correct answer is option C, smooth muscles. When a muscle gets shorter and thicker, it is a dash muscle. Triceps, relaxing muscle, skeletal muscles, contracting muscle. So the correct answer is option D, contracting muscle. When a muscle gets longer and thicker, it is a dash muscle, relaxing muscle, biceps, contracting muscle, tissue. So the correct answer is option A, relaxing muscle. The muscle you can control that are attached to your bones are called dash muscle. Muscle fiber, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, relaxing muscles. So the correct answer is option C, skeletal muscles. The muscle in your upper arm are called biceps, muscle, tricep, none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, bicep. Which type of muscle is responsible for involuntary rhythmic contraction in the body? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, none. So the correct answer is option C, cardiac muscle. Which of the following is not a function of muscles? Producing body heat, facilitating movement, storing energy, producing hormones. So the correct answer is option D, producing hormones. What is the unique feature of smooth muscles? They are found only in the heart. They have a voluntary afference. They are under involuntary control. They are attached to bones. So the correct answer is option C. They are under involuntary control. What is the functional unit of a skeletal muscle called? Myofibril, sarcomere, myosin, actin. So the correct answer is option B. Sarcomere. Which of the following is a condition characterized by degeneration and weakening of muscles? Osteoporosis, arthritis, muscle dystrophy, asthma. So the correct answer is option C, muscular dystrophy. Which type of muscle is responsible for involuntary contractions of the heart? Skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, striated muscle. So the correct answer is option B, cardiac muscle. Which of the following is not a characteristic of smooth muscle? Involuntary control, striated afference, found in internal organs, slow contractions. So the correct answer is option B, striated afference. What is the term for a bundle of muscle fiber surrounded by connective tissue? Physical, tendon, ligament, muscle fiber. So the correct answer is option A, physical. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Support and protection, movement, blood cell production, regulation of body temperature. So the correct answer is option D, regulation of body temperature. Which of the following is not a type of skeletal muscle fiber? Slow twitch, fast twitch, intermediate twitch, smooth twitch. So the correct answer is option D, smooth twitch. Which muscle is commonly known as the calf muscle? Soleus, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, deltoid. So the correct answer is option A, soleus. Which of the following muscles is responsible for flexion for the forearm and the elbow joint? Brachioradialis, frontal teres, supinator, extensor carpi radialis longus. So the correct answer is option A, brachioradialis. Which muscle is responsible for dorsiflexion of the foot? Tibialis anterior, gastrocnemius, soleus supinator. So the correct answer is option A, tibialis anterior. Which of the following muscle is responsible for abduction of the forearm at the shoulder joint? Latimus dorsi, teres major, biceps brachii, brachialis. So the correct answer is option A, latimus dorsi. Which muscle is responsible for flexion of the spine as in sits of? Rectus abdominis, external oblique, transverse abdominis, internal oblique. So the correct answer is option A, rectus abdominis. Which of the following muscle is responsible for plantar flexion of the foot? Gastrocnemius, soleus, tibialis anterior extensor digitorum longus. So the correct answer is option A, gastrocnemius. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe MCQs 1 for latest MCQs.